So this wall right here, and here's the cool thing about the fact that we got a small distance right here. We have to do a 2-hour fire rating on these walls all the way to the roof. There's no separation. Even though we put in a sprinkler system in here, we got to do it all the way to the roof. So that gets to be expensive and a pain in the behind, but we'll put that wall in. There'll be nothing inside of that wall. There'll be nothing, no electrical, there'll be no penetrations of that wall anywhere. We could penetrate it and use a fire caulk on it, but we're setting it up and we don't penetrate it at all and we don't have to deal with it. The less you penetrate that wall, the less you got to worry about codes enforcement coming in and saying, look, we don't like this, we don't like that. We just make it easy, make it simple, make it quick. We talked about this front here. We're going to put a retaining wall across the front area right there, like we said before, and then we're going to fill this in and make it almost just a very small patio step right off from the front door to go into the middle. The kitchen will be here, and that'll be the dining room and living room right there. I think I'm going to really like this build. I got 2 properties I'm buying right now. In those 2 properties, one of them is a small lot, but I can put a duplex on it, and I may wind up doing the same format. They're complaining, the mayor and his wife complaining, thinking that we're gonna build an ugly looking house. I don't think this house is gonna be an ugly house. I think it's gonna be a good looking house. Now, the brick on the side facing their house, I ain't gonna say that ain't gonna be ugly, but it might be, it might not be, I don't know. We wanna keep it interesting.